Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As from today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 7, fractions. Fractions we are studying from 4th standard onwards, so you know what do you mean by a fraction. But a short definition for fraction means a part of a whole is called fractions. Means कोई भी एक पूरी चीज़ है उसका अगर पार्ट किया then it will form a fraction. If for example I am drawing a figure and if I am dividing it then it forms a fraction. जब पूरा होता है then it is called a whole, but जब आप उसका part करते हो then it becomes a fraction. So it is total two parts are there, from that one is being shaded, so 1 upon 2. So whenever you write like 1 upon 2, so 1 becomes your numerator and the number which is written down is called as denominator. This is the common thing you are knowing. Then also just I am explaining that जो number ऊपर लिखते हैं that is called a numerator and the number which is written down is called a denominator. So based on this, the exercise 7.1 is being given in your textbook. This you have to complete by yourself in the textbook only. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. तो जो shaded portion है वो कितने हैं और total कितने parts है that you have to count and write. Here shaded portions are 2, total parts are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So your answer will be 2 upon 4, where you can cancel and it will become 1 upon 2. Here just count total how many shaded portions are being there and total how many blocks are being there. So this question number first and question number second one you can do it by yourself. Now question number 3 is being given. Identify the error if any. So it is being given. Now if we see here, all the parts are same. देखो सब पार्ट की जो साइज है they all are same and they are also looking same. But as we go through question number 3, in that the parts are not equally also distributed. So that is the error. So you can say what you can write, that in the textbook only you write down that the shaded portion does not represent the given fraction. क्या लिखना है? The shaded portion is not representing the given fraction, because see here the triangle is small, here it is not again a triangle, here it is a rectangle, here these two are square, here one rectangle. Circle है but all are of different type. That's why what you will write, that the shaded portions are not according to the given figure. Like that you can write down. So in the notebook we will start from question number 4. Now in question number 4, if we see of exercise 7.1, in that question number 4, now what fraction of a day is 8 hours? Now 1 day is equal to 24 hours and they had given how many fraction of 8 hours. So therefore fraction of 8 hours is equal to, क्या पूछा है क्वेश्चन में, what is the fraction of a day is 8 hours. So 8 hours कितना पूरे दिन का फ्रैक्शन काउंट कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई वी आर टेकिंग 8 upon 24, where we'll cancel it. 8 ones are 8 and 8 threes are 24. So the answer comes, that is 1 upon 3. Means this 8 hour is 1/3 part of 24 hours. That is what is being asked in the question. Same way, question number 5. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Now उसके लिए पहले पता होना चाहिए that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now in the question it is being asked that what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes. So that will be equal to what? Fraction of an hour is equal to 40 upon 60. Now here simple thing I will tell you how to cancel it. 0 0 ऊपर नीचे लास्ट में इसलिए उड़ा देना है, बीच में अगर हो तो नहीं उड़ाना है. ओके, ये अभी से समझना है. 0 0 दोनों लास्ट में है तो वी कैन कट. Now we will be thinking why sir had cut 4 and 6, but both are coming in the table of 2. So 2 2s are and 2 3s are. देखो दोनों में 2 कॉमन आ रहा है. 2 2s are and 2 3s are. So it comes to 2 upon 3 is the answer. Now question number 6. It is being given that Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. 3 persons are being there. Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek. Arya has bought 2 sandwiches. Okay, Arya ने कितनी सैंडविच लेके आई है? 2. One made up of vegetable. Vegetable sandwich was there, and one with jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. तो खाली आर्या ही ना लंच लेके आई थी, बाकी दोनों बॉयज जो थे अभिमन्यु एंड विवेक, दे हैड फॉरगॉटन टू ब्रॉट द लंच. नाउ आर्या एग्रीड टू शेयर हिज सैंडविचेस सो दैट ईच पर्सन विल गेट एन इक्वल शेयर ऑफ ईच सैंडविच. तो फिर आर्या ने ऐसे सोचा कि चलो अभी तुम दोनों भूल गए हो तो मैं आपको मेरे लंच में से जो सैंडविच लाई हूँ वो इक्वली डिवाइड कर दूंगी. और वो भी दोनों सैंडविचेस, वन वॉज मेड अप ऑफ वेजिटेबल एंड वन वॉज मेड अप ऑफ जाम. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज बीइंग आस्क्ड दैट हाउ कैन आर्या डिवाइड his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share. मतलब आर्या किस तरह से डिवाइड करेगी सो दैट हर एक को इक्वल शेयर मिलेगा. एंड द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ सैंडविच विल ईच बॉय रिसीव. हर एक बॉय को कितना मिलेगा, दैट ऑल्सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो फर्स्ट विल राइट डाउन टोटल sandwiches brought by Arya is equal to 2. Now total persons were how much? 3. Okay, the total sandwiches bought by Arya was 2. Total persons is 3. नाउ द फर्स्ट पार्ट. सो आप जब क्वेश्चन लिखोगे तो क्या लिखोगे, पहला पार्ट जो क्वेश्चन का है दैट यू विल राइट डाउन. अबाउ दैट मीन्स बिलो दैट यू विल राइट डाउन दिस. फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर ए लिखना है और फिर उसका आंसर, देन बी और फिर उसका आंसर. ओके, लाइक दैट यू हैव टू डू इट. हियर ऑल्सो वन मोर स्टेटमेंट वी कैन ऐड. अदर 2 persons is who were it was Abhimanyu and Vivek. So now the first part is being there, then how can Arya divide his sandwich so that each person will get equal share. So each person's equal share, लोग तो तीन ही है, the persons are three, sandwiches एक में से कितनी मिलेगी, that we have to find out. So what will be the answer for the first part of the question? So we can write that Arya will distribute each one one third part of each sandwiches. के एक सैंडविच में से तीन पार्ट करेगी, तीन पार्ट करेगा और उसमें से वन थर्ड पार्ट, तीन पार्ट करेगा, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज अ सैंडविच, तो उसके थ्री पार्ट्स करेगा और उसमें से हर एक को एक एक पार्ट उसका आएगा. सेम वे सेकेंड सैंडविच, उसके भी थ्री पार्ट्स, उसमें से एक एक पार्ट हर एक तीनों को जाएगा. दैट्स वाई आर्या विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट ईच वन थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ ईच सैंडविच. दैट इज द आंसर फॉर योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. And in that B, it is being given that which part of a sandwich will each boy get. So each boy will get one third part of each sandwich. Okay, each boy will get one third part of each sandwiches. So this is your question number 6. क्या बोला था that three peoples are there, Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek. From that, Arya had bought two sandwiches, one of vegetable and one of jam. Total persons were three. The first question was that how can Arya divide sandwiches so that each person has an equal share. So Arya will distribute each one third part of each sandwich. एक सैंडविच के तीन पार्ट करेगा और उसमें से उसको सबको एक एक पार्ट दे देगा, तो हर एक को वन थर्ड पार्ट मिलेगा. Second question was that what part of sandwich will each boy receive. तो हर एक बॉयज़ को कितना पार्ट मिलेगा, वन थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ ईच सैंडविच. हर एक बॉयज़ को वन थर्ड ऑफ ईच सैंडविच विल बी गिवन. Now question number 7 is being there that Kanchan dyes dress. Dyes dress means dress को डाई करते हैं, कलर करते हैं ना, that is called dyes. So dyes dresses, she had to dye 30 dresses. उसको 30 dresses को डाई करना था, मीन्स कलर करना था. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses had she finished? टोटल उसको 30 ड्रेस को डाई करना था, लेकिन उसमें से उसने 20 ड्रेस को डाई कर दिया है. तो पूछा क्या है, that कितना फ्रैक्शन ड्रेसेस उसने डाई किया है. सो दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो as it is a word problem, we will write the statement total dresses to be dyed is equal to 30. उसमें से number of dresses were dyed is equal to 20, and therefore fraction of dresses were finished is equal to, टोटल कितने थे 30, उसमें से हुए कितने 20. तो क्या कर देना है अभी, 0 0 कैंसिल, So 2 upon 3 of the fraction of the total work she had completed. टोटल 30 ट्रेस को डाई करना था, उसमें से 20 हो गए थे, तो कितना फ्रैक्शन काम खत्म हो गया था? दैट्स वाई 20 अपॉन 30 वेयर 0 0 इज कैंसिल. सो व्हाट fraction work she had finished? She has finished 2 upon 3 of the work. Then question number 8 is being given that write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. 2 to 12 बोला है, मतलब 2 और 12 को भी लिखना है. अगर बिटवीन 2 एंड 12 बोला होता तो 2 और 12 नहीं लिखते हैं. सो natural numbers from 2 to 12 will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. what fraction of them are prime numbers? अब इसमें से prime numbers कितने हैं? So prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So therefore fraction of prime numbers is equal to कितने? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 प्राइम नंबर्स है, लेकिन टोटल कितने नंबर्स है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 एंड 11. सो 5 अपॉन 11 इज योर आंसर. पहले क्या बोला? राइट द नेचुरल नंबर्स फ्रॉम 2 to 12. फ्रॉम बोला है मतलब 2 से 12 तक लिखना है. बिटवीन बोला होता तो 2 और 12 नहीं आता. From that, how many of them are prime numbers? So 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are prime numbers. So fraction of prime numbers कितने हो गए? तो 5 prime numbers. So total ये 11. So the answer is 5 upon 11. Same way question number 9 is given. Write the natural numbers from 102 to 13. 113. So natural number from 102. So 102, 103, 104, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So these are the natural numbers. Out of that we have to find out prime numbers, because here also the same question is being asked. So from here the prime numbers will be, so prime numbers from here it will be 103, 107, 109 and 113. 103, 107, 109 and 113. So again, fraction of prime number is equal to how many? 4 are there in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 4 upon 12. So 4 upon 12 is the answer, the fraction of prime number. If we want, we can cut it. 4 ones are and 4 threes are, but we will not cancel it here. Now question number 10, in that it is being given that you have to do it by yourself. Now question number 10 I will not do. What fraction of these circles have x's in them? So ये total number of circles है, उसमें कितने circles में x लगाया हुआ है, that fraction you have to form. Now you know how to form the fraction. Okay, so that question you have to do it by yourself. Now question number 11 I am doing. It is being given that Christine received a CD player from for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 others as gift. What fraction of her total CDs did she buy and what fraction did she receive as gift? तो पहले वो what will write? CDs bought by Christine is equal to 3. Then CDs she got in gift is equal to 5 CDs उसको गिफ्ट में मिले. So total CDs she have is equal to 3 plus 5 that is equal to 8 CDs. उसको बर्थडे में क्या मिला? CD प्लेयर she received and for that she had bought 3 CDs. वो खुद खरीद के लाए और 5 उसको गिफ्ट में मिली. So total उसके पास 8 CDs है. So first question is that what fraction of her total CDs she buy? Therefore fraction of CDs she buy is equal to उसने कितनी खरीदी थी? 3. टोटल सीडीज कितनी थी? 8. सो फ्रैक्शन क्या हो गया? 3/8. सेम वे द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज what fraction did she receive as gift? Therefore fraction of CDs she received as gifts is equal to गिफ्ट में कितनी मिली थी? 5. टोटल सीडीज कितनी है? 8. So 5/8 is your answer. Simple, nothing hard is being there. The first exercise. So this was exercise first and little bit about fraction. Just question number 10 you have to do it in the homework. The next part we'll move further in this chapter. So till then, thank you and take care.